Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
It's me.
Hello.
It's him.
Oh,
I might want to update that.
now.
It's so small. It's very small.
It's average size.
It's very small. It's very small.
No, come on,
It's the
it's average.
smallest.
No, bro, please.
It's been a while since you've been playing.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Someone's gonna step on the landmine. Can I be careful?
I'll never step on a landmine.
Proceed.
God, Kai, you're so hyperventilating.
That went really well.
What did you do?
No, fail! Hello.
No,
That's a spider. And that's real. No, buddy. It's fine, it's fine. That's a bug. Where is the baby going? Jack? Fuck! No! Oh my god. Dude, why? Just why? What am I doing now? Dude, I don't want to play this game anymore. Fuck me, I'm dead. Ha, I am alive. Fuck fate. I'll just make a run for it. Please! No, please, that's a dead end! Right, I'm just gonna go for it. It's right behind me. No, I saw a coil! Hello? Anyone? Hello? I made it because I'm so good at this game. Fuck. Are you?
Hey,
You're alive?
hey.
You're real? You're not real.
Go back home!
You're not real, are you?
What?
Are you? Ah, fuck! Oh, Jesus Christ! I am so good at this game.
I watched that.
Oh my god! How did you die?
I got the biggest jump scare of my life by far.
Oh, let's go March. I think like it spawns in Val, will spawn in March as well, right? That makes sense.
That makes sense. I'm gonna go jump off first.
I'm gonna look for. Would you shut up? Oh. Wow, who died? What? No, but no. Oh, fuck. I think it's that he might be dead. We gotta go check. We gotta go save him.
I'm going in.
I'm going in as well. Fuck! I am dead. I'm going to die. I am so good at this game.
He's alive! Okay, Zach's dead. You're almost dead. I'm almost dead.
I'm gonna go to fire exit.
Let's go fire exit.
Oh, you guys are alive.
Too.
It's still not alive.
Oh.
You should go check on him.
No, he's not.
It's like we're losing one member per fire exit.
Yeah, who's
It's a pretty good
next?
ratio.
Snail.
Really?
It's my snail.
That's crazy. Hello? What? Okay, I'm dead. Okay. That was really bad.
Kai the snail.
Why is Kyle laughing his ass
Try
off?
main entrance again.
Oh, I know.
I'm dead for fire exit.
Can't hurt.
Yeah. That checks
Sure.
out. Oh no.
There's two of them.
No, that's
Snail!
not.
I'm a snail!
Fine, I only have 55 hours in the game.
Yes, it's happened again, baby.
Let's go!
I'm gonna go
We
restart
can
my
fuck
game.
Norbert finally. Was waiting for this all day. Right, so let's go to Moon's. Where are we going again? Where are we going again?
You had your hair up. You shaved.
Yeah, I got shaved, guys.
Oh shit. Wait, your eyebrows, they're worrying. You should go to them check that already.
What are you? What are you? What are you?
What? Oh, hello. 2 masks. Oh, 3. Whoa, that's. Whoa, hang on. Get here. That's a lot of masks.
Yo.
Way more masks.
Oh shit.
I have 4. There were 6 masks in there.
I'm sure they're fine.
Yeah.
A mask for everyone.
Yeah. Oh my god, you scared that.
I'm just gonna keep
You shouldn't.
comfort.
Why is that?
Yeah. Why do you move like that?
What?
It's fine. You wanna see a cool trick? You get out!
Who's dead? I died. Oh, I died.
I found the spider.
Oh no, you're alive. Oh no,
You
that's
found the
you
spider.
found the spider. I got a house for you if you. No!
Let's gotta move on.
You're a fucking idiot!
Watch this.
What are you doing, Zach?
Hey guys.
Right. I think you can use him as a cushion if you jump.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll use this ad.
I kind of like half thought I'd survive.
I got it on my. I got it on my move.
How? What?
What did you say?
I said get out. Wait, what? Oh no, I'm just blind.
Oh, a bird. That's a rock.
Yeah, I'm just seeing birds everywhere for
Bird's
some
the
reason.
word. I
If
can
we
hear
go,
him.
if we go to the right, it's gonna be fine, right?
What if you keep your down when you try to make the jump?
Tons of stuff.
Chasing him.
Guys, should I take apparatus?
Wait.
Wait. Which is which? Which is which?
What are you guys talking about?
I am so good at this game. Wait.
What?
Wait, I thought that
What
was
are
you
you-
over there.
What?
I thought that was straight over there.
Guys,
What was it?
what? What are you guys
It's a mimic of you.
Oh.
When you walk past the fire exit.
I am... What? What is this? What is this?
What is this? I'm 50%
PCP inhalant! 50% off!
Wait.
I'm here. I'm alive.
Ah!
Mimic!
Look out!
Christ!
Look out!
Shut
Kill the mimic! Kill the
Get out! Oh my fucking... What are you... What happened in here?
This
Dude,
guy!
what the... Try and replace it, that makes sense. Dude.
No, we'll lose money. Oh my god, this guy.
Yeah, he's so mean, I know, right?
Dylan.
I
Wait,
can hear colours.
you're brushing teeth
I was trying.
and you're...
I was trying to walk to the back of the
How
ship.
is that a thing?
He fell.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's good.
I might need help with this. I can't see behind me. I'm also
Sure.
stuck. You might need to give me a push.
Where do you need to push?
I need a push upwards, so
Sorry.
I can't. I don't know where. I can't see behind me.
Alright, don't push it. Alright, because there's a tree right there. So just, you need to go over here a bit. Okay, you're fine. Okay, you should be... Right, okay, I'm just gonna... Okay.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Good.
And just reverse backwards. No. Oh, put the magnet on. Put the magnet on. Yeah, we're good. It should be able to get to me.
I'm getting the magnet. Are you
got
just trying
bird.
to kill... No! Hello? That was a mimic.
Hello?
Unbelievable.
My POV of that was really good.
No.
Oh, they're real!
Get it! Get the mimic! Get the mimic!
I'm fine, no!
I got it, guys. We're safe. We're safe.
Oh my god.
Idiot.
I said we're safe.
The medic killed him! The medic killed him! The medic killed him! The medic killed him!
Oh my god.
Oh, what a shame.
That's the... What's... Oh my god, that's the new bird! Hang on, I want to see that. Hello!
Oh, it's trying to protect its egg.
We gotta get the egg. Whoa! Stop! Whoa! I feel like
What was your beer?
I don't think we can outrun him though. Like it seems really.
No, we
Wait,
can't.
wait, wait.
If we distract it, we die.
Oh my god. Wait, is it still there? I'm almost dead.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh my fucking god. He got the egg.
Zach's got
Fine.
it. He got it.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh no! Zach! Zach, no!
Oh my god.
Dude.
Interesting.
Pecker. Pecker.
Why is he imitating his sounds?
Wait, who's bot? Yeah, but I think someone at the ship's gonna die as well.
Oh, damn.
gonna wake up.
Yeah. He woke up. No, dropping the egg doesn't work. Dude, why is he so fast? He's what the? He's unbelievable. He did not let that slide. You like birds?
They're alright. This
You don't
one's
like-
alright.
You didn't like my bird though. What? It's in the middle there. Are you going for it?
Ooh,
He's there.
Are
you-
you ready?
Yeah.
But is that full speed? Oh.
Oh no!
Get it! Get it! Get it!
The car's not hitting it! No! Guys! Buddy!
Dude! Get the car! Drive the car into it! Oh my. Whoa! Oh, dude, chill, I did nothing! Dude! So something that I want to do is watch the entry.
So how much is the quota?
It's 700 or something? It's 600.
How is it called?
Kai...
Giant Sapsucker, yeah.
Kai is alive.
Sapsuckers.
Wait, no, Kai, I don't... No, Kai is alive.
So,
And then
the giant Sapsucker
Mia
is a
is
boom
dead.
bird
Mia-
belonging to also known as Sapsucker, as the name suggests there are also largest species. They also number of
He's down there?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone down, everyone go down. Wait, we can get in the facility. Maybe.
Oh, is that it?
Kai, wait, whoever, Kai, anger it, run to the fire exit.
No. You gotta wait for it to go to sleep.
Yeah, we need
He
to
goes
wait
to
for it
sleep.
to go to sleep. But
You
Everyone
go to
turn
sleep
on
and you
push.
can
Everyone
crouch over.
turn on push to talk.
no, that
I'll
just
just
makes it. Yeah, can you imagine doing that?
If all 5 of us run, one of us is guaranteed to get it back.
Yeah, but that's
No.
just not.
No.
How
No.
fast is it?
He's
This thing is
insanely
insane.
fast.
Okay,
I want to go first.
come on.
Don't! Don't! Please! No!
Oh, I can hide in the shit.
I'm here! I got it!
90, all that for 91. Everyone just got pulverized.
Oh my god. No! Mia! Oh my... What? What the fuck? He opened the door! Oh my god! Did you see that? What? What the fuck? Dude, that is insane!
Why did you let the door open?
No, I closed the door. He smashed it.
It broke the door.
Yeah, it literally opened it. Oh my god.
Did it?